Namaste, yogis. Decompress and release tension of the day in this sunset yoga flow to get you ready for a peaceful sleep. You can even do this yoga class in your bed or on your yoga mat, whatever you prefer. We'll begin in a cross-legged position. Place one foot in front of the other for easy pose. Spin the inner thighs down. Lengthen the spine. Place your palms on your knees and let's tune in by breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. Place your hands in front of your heart in prayer position. And feel free to set your intention for your practice. Namaste. Interlace your hands. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Fill your belly, ribcage, and chest with air. Straighten out your arms. Bring your palms forward. And start rounding your spine as you exhale, chin to your chest. Shoulder blades are moving away from one another. And feel free to move from side to side. Open up the ribcage. Stay connected with your breath. And come back to center. Release the hands. Bring your hands behind you. Place your fingertips on the floor right behind your seat. Inhale, open your chest. Slightly look up. Bring your shoulder blades towards each other. That's option 1. Option 2 is interlacing your hands right behind your lower back. Shoulder blades are moving towards each other. Open your heart and release. Hold on to your knees and we'll roll our shoulders up, back and down, back up a couple of times. And then also switch direction. Let go of all the tension. And that's it. Wonderful. Interlace your hands behind your lower back and then place your hands on your left hip. We're going for a neck stretch. So get ready on an inhale, and as you exhale, right ear goes to your right shoulder, and this is what it looks like from the back. Keep breathing, and feel free to slightly roll your head back and forth, just micro movements. Let go of any tension. Neck rolls are great to release any tension in the neck and shoulders, and improve the blood flow to our brain. On your next inhale, bring your head back to center, switching sides, placing the interlaced hands on your right hip. Inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, left ear to your left shoulder. And this is what it looks like from the back. Connect with your breath. And you can do those micro movements, releasing tension. Remember to relax your jaw, your face, your forehead. And slowly come back to center. Nicely done. Release your hands. Extend your arms out to the sides. Place the left hand on the floor. Inhale, reach your right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, hold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, dive, side body bend to your left side. Open your heart. Root down through your sitting bones. Breathe into your stretch. And remember to really root down through your sitting bones, keeping especially the right one on the floor to fully benefit from the side body stretch. One more breath. And as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Inhale, place the right hand on the floor. Reach your left arm up. And as you exhale, dive to the right side. Keep your chest open. Breathe into your rib cage. Open up the side body while rooting down through your sitting bones. And slowly come back to center as you inhale and exhale, release. Bring your knees up and then come a little bit forward so that you can lie comfortably down on your back. Hold on to your knees, lengthen the spine, keep your chin on your chest, and roll yourself all the way down in a slow and controlled way. Use your abs. Head comes down last. And then bring your feet closer towards your bum. We're going for reclined pigeon pose to open the hips. Bring your knees closer towards your chest. And then place the right ankle on top of your left knee. Flex both feet. Open the right hip and maybe gently push the right knee down, just gently. And you can interlace your hands behind your left thigh or hold on to your left shin. Find your breath and maybe draw your left knee a little bit closer towards your chest on an exhale. Go slow and gentle. Begin to release your hands and then stack the right knee on top of the left. Point your feet and grab hold of your lower legs, ankles, and gently draw your knees closer towards your chest. Imprint your lower back into the floor. This is reclined cow face pose, another great way to stretch the hips and the piriformis muscle. Gently begin to release the pose, but keep the right knee on top of your left. Plant your left foot on the floor. Scoot your hips over a couple of inches to the right. Open the right arm at shoulder height, place it on the floor, palm facing up. Left hand is on your right knee, and as you exhale, gently let your knees fall to your left side. Keep both shoulders on the floor for a supine twist. Look over your right side. Take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Slowly, as you inhale, come back to center. Hug your knees into your chest. Take a nice deep cleansing breath in and out through the nose and switch sides. Place your left ankle on top of the right knee. The right knee comes closer towards your chest and gently open the left hip. You can gently push on your left knee. Interlace your hands behind your right thigh or hold on to your right shin and flex both feet. Stay connected with your breath and allow your body to sink deeper into the pose. Slowly release the hands and stack your left knee on top of the right. Point your feet. Grab hold of your lower legs or ankles. Imprint your lower back into the floor. Reclined cow face pose. Begin to release the pose. And let's get ready for a supine twist. Plant your right foot on the floor and scoot your hips a few inches over to the left. Open the left arm out to the side at shoulder height. The right hand holds on to the left knee and let your knees fall to the right side as you exhale. Keep both shoulders on the floor and roll your head over to the left side. Feel your body melting into the twist and feel the earth supporting your body. Take one more deep breath into your supine twist. And then slowly coming out of the pose, come back to center with your knees on your chest, holding onto your knees with your hands. And you can go ahead and massage your lower back by moving your knees from side to side or back and forth. Whatever feels good, go for it. Then go ahead, draw circles with your knees. And switch direction. Then move your knees away from each other, drawing circles. And then move your knees in towards each other, also drawing circles. go at your own pace. And then lower your feet down towards the ground. Extend your legs out. Come into our final pose, corpse pose. Let your feet fall to the outsides. Arms are along the body with your hand palms facing up. Head is in the center, and feel free to close your eyes. We'll finish our practice right here in corpse pose. I'll be here for a few more minutes, but you can go ahead and stay here for as long as you like, or even fall asleep into it. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Feel how your belly rises up towards the sky as you inhale and falls towards the earth as you exhale. Find complete stillness in your body and in your mind. Allow your body to settle and to adjust itself, taking all the benefits of the poses we just did. And let all the tension and remaining stress melt away and drain into the earth. With each exhale, relax and release even more. Continue on your own with deep belly breaths, or if you prefer to let your breath follow its natural rhythm, that's fine too. This time here is for you. We'll be here for another minute or so. Enjoy the peace, stillness, and silence in and around you. Feel free to stay as long in corpse pose as you'd like. I'm going to close our yoga class together, wishing that this yoga practice may be a blessing to you, and that it may result into a peaceful, restful sleep. Thank you so much for practicing with me. The light in me bows to the light in you.